Tramontano po!
Buboy Portion!
Yo! Yo, what's up? Yo! Kapamilya, sama na kayo at ispita ang boses ng Pinoy sa buong mundo! Dito lang sa The Singing Bee!
Baby, are you down, 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 down?
The Bad
Even if the
Movie!
sky is falling down, down, down.
The Zombies!
You ought to know, know, know. Tonight's the night to
The Honey Bee!
put on a show, show, show. I wanna see how you look.
At mga kaibigan ng ating defending champion, the 80s! Team 80s!
So come on and fly with me.
Hindi mo alam yan eh.
I'm ready to baby, don't worry. You are my only. You won't be lonely. Even if the sky is
Ay mga sobrang nagaling, may simple naman sa pagpapatawa.
you down, down,
Ay mga masipag na estudyante at volunteers din. At mga tinitilian ng mga kapahiyan. Abangan mo ang mga team na susuling maglaang 2 million pesos. It's time to play the Sing Bee!
baby, are you
Aray ko! Sakit! Welcome to the Singing Bee! Alright! Mga kaibigan, pakikiligin namin kayo at pasasahin at pupunuin namin kayo ng kantahan. Kantahan sa buong gabi na ito. Okay. Siyempre, kasama po natin ang papa ng Bumblebee, Mel Villena. So mga kaibigan, pakilala po namin nangangalakal ng basura sa araw. Nag-aaral naman sa gabi.
Yeah.
Ano?
Sipag.
Robin, Gladys, and Nicolay, team working students.
Carry by, though we can read her mind. Poker face, she's got to love nobody. Carry by, oh we can read her mind. Poker face, she's got to love nobody. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. Poker face.
Alright. Whoa. Bibigyan ko yan ng 100%.
100 lang?
Points. 100.
Ang ganda nung ginawa nila, 100 lang.
Hindi, sa akin yun ang pinakamataas ko
Ganun
ngayon.
lang?
Oh.
Hindi, ako, gagawin ko 200 na kagad.
200?
200 na kagad.
Okay. Pero bilib ako dun, ha? Nangangalakal kayo sa gabi, sa umaga, tapos sa gabi nag-aaral kayo. Robin, saan ka nag-aaral?
Sa pamantasan ng lungsod ng Marikina po.
PLM din.
Oo, di ba?
Pareho ng PLM natin dito.
Mismo.
Dito ngayon. Pero ito, pamantasan lungsod ng Maynila. Si, Mayor, tanungin natin ang comment.
Siyempre. Saint Sipag at... ST. Sipag at talent.
Sipag at talent.
Ako rin. Bilib ako talaga sa ganun mga tao. Nakakabilib. Very good.
Sana yan ang tularan ng ibang mga bata.
Tama.
Di ba?
Mismo.
Ito naman, dalawang Giger Boys at isang PBB team, Sam, Chris, and Mikey team. Covered Boys!
Okay, this is it.
Chris.
Ay, grade na kagad. 400. 400. 400.
400. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Daming ginawa.
400.
So,
Saka pesos yun, ha?
abunuan ni Kuya Buboy.
Pwedeng kunin mamaya.
400 na rin ako.
Pinantayan. Vance, 400. 400.
Mayor!
Mayor,
Tulilia.
pwede din Gigil Boys.
Oo, Giggle Boys. Pero ang Giggle.
Cover
Nakaka-gigil. Coverage. Okay. Ito naman ang ating pangatlo, mga pambato sa comedy. Ethel, Giselle, and Ate Glow team and Ray Gigi.
Alam mo, hindi na tayo makakuha sa racket nito. Sino ba yung idea niya? Idea niya yan, Ay, parang kinakahiya yung ginagawa natin.
Gulo lang. Yun lang eh, effort namin eh.
Oh, diba? Ang
Hindi,
hirap.
bilib ako, bilib ako.
Presensya lang.
Ang gugulo. Okay, anong grade mo ron?
Ako, dahil kamadong-kamado sila, no? 90 lang muna. 90. 90.
90?
Okay na yon.
Paabutin ko sila 100 din.
Oh, ikaw, 100. Oh, tama, 100.
Ayos. Mayor!
Si Mayor.
Si Mayor, ano natin yan?
Mayor!
Talo
Talo
nyo
nyo
ang
ang
tatlong itlog.
Happy Fiesta!
Para na tayo sa...
Yun.
Happy Fiesta! Happy Fiesta!
Okay, eto naman po ang ating guluhan ako ron. Bagong labas sila sa bahay ni Kuya. Princess, Jimson, and JP Team PBB Double Up.
May need po kami ng special reinforcement. Like that. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. It's gonna be a multilingual night. Konbawa minasan. Yokoso singing BL. And these are my teammates.
Hi, I'm Sophie. Buenas noches, soy Jimson from Spain.
Spanish.
Sport.
JP, ang... Wala na.
Tagalog pala.
Hi, I'm Kenny.
Magmaayong gabi. Kami gikan sa...
Mayong gabi, Day.
Ang gabi.
Galing. Parang gusto kong bigyan ng 3,000 to. 3,565. Alam mo, kahit yun lang,
Aha.
yun pa rin ang grade ko.
Ah?
Ano nga yung grade mo, kapatid?
Hindi ko na maalala, pero mataas.
Meron pa, meron
Dahil
pa.
pinakamataas na maiisip ko, yun na yun.
Yun na. Ako, bibigyan ko na yun ng 1.5. 1.5 ako ron.
1.5.
1.5.
Okay.
Oh, si Mayor. Si Mayor, wala pang grade.
Mayor.
Ayan, oh.
Ano yung talent nila?
Hindi, yun nga yung Mayor eh. Yung nag-split.
Multilingual.
Yun.
Ito naman po ang volunteers sa relief operations ng Sagip Ka Pamilya. Yo! May, Joyce, and Jel, team Sagip Ka Pamilya. Yo!
Gusto! Ayan na.
Paglipas ni Uto ay lahat tayo na mula taang pagtulong ay dapat ikalat sa bawat ulos. Pag-ibig ay bubuhos. Give ka pamilya, tutulong na lubos.
Hey, clap your hands, everybody! Everybody, clap your hands! Clap your hands, everybody! Everybody, clap your hands! Say ho! Break it down!
Right. Okay. Bibigyan ko ng 10,000 to sa Sagip Ka Pamilya. Great.
Eh, dahil lang doon, papantayan ko na rin. 10,000 din ako. Wala ka na masasabi.
Dahil napakarami talaga na sagip ng kapamilya.
Tama
Sagip
naman.
Ka Pamilya.
Tama naman. Okay, si Mayor.
Okay, nandiyan natin si Mayor. Harang.
Parang DJ Koki.
Parang DJ ko kay Monster. At ang panalo sa best sample ay ang team. Team Sagip Kapamilya. Thank you. Ayan si Jaisel, ang ating honeybee Jaisel is... Welcome back to Singing Bee. Hey, are you ready, guys? Ready! Okay, let's play that to be corrected round. Team working students. Pwesto na po, kayong una. Nicole, what is ready? Here's your song. 1986, Kino, Leaving Yesterday Behind.
So now I'm leaving yesterday behind. Finally I've made up my mind. So let the memories stay away and think Manila Bay.
Another day.
Team Covered Boys. Pwesto na, same song.
Manila Bay, I'm here to stay.
Oh. Team EGG,
Oh, mamaya ganun na tayo manalo ah.
same song.
Mamaya, taga naman tayo ah!
So now I'm leaving yesterday behind. Finally I made up my mind. So let the memories stay away and think
About today.
Manila Bay.
About today. We really deserve this first place!
Team TBB. Okay, here's your song. 2007, Pupil, Disconnection Notice.
I could not believe the things you said to me, but I can't let you go. No, I can't drink ago.
Let you go.
Tumpak! Sagip Kapamilya, here's your song. 2009, Kelly Clarkson, I Do Not Hook Up. Yeah. Team working students. Same song.
I believe.
Okay, Covered Boys. Pwesto na, same song.
Heart on your sleeve.
Tumpak! Team Sagip Kapamilya. Pwesto na. Here's your song. 1971, James Taylor, You've Got a Friend.
more.
All you gotta do is go.
Thanks for joining, Robin. Nicolay. Gladys, thanks for joining. Congrats sa inyo lahat. Panalo kayo ng 3,000 pesos each. Susunod na po ang Jumble Bee sa pagbabalik na The CB. Welcome back. Okay, guys, let's play the Jumble Bee round. Team Egg.
Okay.
Presto na. Here's your song. 1999 A1. Like a Rose.
All I have to do is follow you to lighten up my load. Treat me like a rose. Give me room to grow. Show the light of love on me. Take me air so I can breathe. Open doors to close.
And ghosts were
Ang tumpak na lyrics po ay In a World Where Anything
Alam
Goes.
ko yun eh. Naunahan ako ng buzzer.
Alam ko yan
Team
eh.
TBB, here's your song. 2008, Rihanna. Take a bow.
Don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Maybe when I know you're always sorry, you got caught. But you put on quite a show. Really had me going.
But it's time to go now.
Ang tumpak na lyrics po ay But Now It's Time to Go. Team Covered Boys. Here's your song. 1992, Jano Gibbs. Bini Bini.
Sa altar ng punong pag-ibig.
Ang tumpak na lyrics po ay Sa Abang Altar ng Punong Pag-ibig. Okay, sagip ka pamilya. Here's your song. 1989, Lea Salonga and Simon Bowman. Sun and Moon.
Outside, day starts to dawn. Your moon still floats on high.
Question na kayo, pasok na kayo sa next round. Okay, dahil lahat po kayo mali, tayo magta-tiebreaker sa mga naiwan.
Sabi ko na eh.
Here we go. 1991. Covered Boys.
Pass
Kanino?
sa kanila. Double up.
Double up. Okay. Covered Boys at
Naku,
saka...
ano yan ah? Hindi ko sinabi ah. Naku, PBB, naku.
Atras
Hindi mo
kayo.
na, pag
Atras kayo.
ano.
Hindi, atras doon.
Ay, doon ba? Good luck. Tapos nakuha talaga, no?
Oy! 1991, Metallica, Enter Sandman.
Neverland.
Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining.
Ang galing ng PBB!
Okay.
Ang galing-galing!
Gugulutan, ito ako banta.
Sabi ko na
Congrats
eh,
po
sabi
sa
ko na.
kanilang lahat. Bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Panalo kayo ng additional 3,000 pesos for a total of 6,000 pesos. Each singing with the enemy sa pagbabalik mo na The Singing Bee.
Don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Baby, when I know you're only sorry you got caught.
There comes a time when you reach a new chapter in your life. When your body has changed and your needs have changed. That's why there's Centrum Silver, the complete multivitamin specially formulated for adults 50 and up to help support immunity, vitality, and overall good health for this chapter of your life. Embrace life's changes with Centrum Silver.
Welcome back. Okay, let's play the Singing with the Enemy round. Here's your song. 2005, Sarah Geronimo. Can This Be Love?
Can this be love I'm feeling right now? I know for certain I'm feeling right now. I don't recall ever feeling this way.
Can this be love?
Tell me, what does one say to one who makes me feel this way? Can this be love? I'm feeling right now. I am not sure of
Feeling right now.
this feeling somehow. Why do I tremble
Whenever I dream?
whenever you're near? I can't seem to say my word. You're so near. My words, so you hear. This is the first time
I'm gonna say I love you.
I'm gonna say I love you. It's the first time.
I'm gonna tell I love you. I'm gonna tell you.
I ever felt so helpless deep inside. If I had to say 1,000 times, I'd tell you once again. I'd tell you once again. This is the first time I'm gonna say I love you.
Alright. Recap po tayo ng score. Team Sagip Kapamilya got 1 point. Team PBB Double Up got nothing. Team Egg or EGG got 2 points. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Jel, thank you. Thank you sa mga volunteers natin sa Gipag Pamilya. Thank you. Thank you, George Jimson. Thank you, Prince. salamat din. Thank you. JP, thank you for joining. Okay, congrats! Panalo kayo ng 50,000 pesos. Ang laban para sa 2 million sa pagbabalik ng The Singing Bee.
This is the first time I'm gonna say I love
The Singing Bee would like to thank the following.
Welcome back to Singing Bee. I'd like to thank all my sponsors. G2000, Barang Romy. Thank you. 101 New York. Robert Castañeda of Tecno Marine. Thank you. And happy birthday also. Happy birthday to Honeybee J-Cell Domingo. And belated happy birthday to Cathy. Honeybee Cathy also. Team 80s versus Team EGG. Isa sa inyo ay pwede mag-uwi ng 2 million pesos dito lang sa The Final Countdown. It's the Final Countdown! Right, here we go. Ang pangarap ko'y nagmula sa'yo. Sa iyong ganda ang puso'y di makalimot tuwing kapiling ka.
Dadalihin.
Song number 1. 1975, Giselle or Ethel.
Giselle.
1975, Queen, Bohemian Rhapsody.
This time tomorrow. Yeah! Ah! 1.9!
Song number 2. 2005, Giselle or Ethel.
Ethel.
2005, Michael Bublé. Home.
Another winter day has come and gone away, and even Paris and Rome, and I wanna go home. Let me go home. And I'm surrounded by
And
Gino
ito?
or
Gino?
Same song.
another winter day has come and gone away, and even Paris and Rome, and I wanna go home. Let me go home. And I'm surrounded by
A Million Miles and I.
Ang tumpak na lyrics po ay A Million People I. Okay, tayo po ay magmamanuhan muli. Oh, I would take the stars out of the sky for you, stop the rain from falling. If you ask me to, I'd do anything for you. Your wish is my command.
You to me are everything. Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Tumpak! Para sa inyo naman, song number 3. 2002. Gino or Ryder?
Rider naman. 2002.
2002. Nina. Jealous.
Jealous of the one who finally found you. Made the sun and your stars collide. La 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 la.
Jealous. Ulitin mo nga ulit.
Giselle or Ethel?
Ethel.
Same song.
Jealous of the one who finally found you. Made the sun and your stars collide. La 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 la.
She's a very lucky girl.
Ang tumpak na lyrics ay she's a very, very lucky.
Ano ko lucky? Akala ko si Lucky Manzano.
Tayo po'y magmamanuhan. It's close to midnight and something's evil lurking in the dark.
Thriller.
Song number 4. 2001, Gino Reuter.
Rider na lang.
2001, Creed. my sacrifice.
When you are with me, I'm free. I'm careless, I believe. When you will find it.
Ethel.
Sing song.
When you are with me, I'm free. I'm careless, I believe.
Of all the... Union of all the
Ang
places.
tumpak na
na yun,
lyrics
out
po
of...
ay above all the others.
Above all the others.
And okay, we go. Ngayon at kailanman
Ngayon at kailanman.
Okay. Song number 5. 1977. Gino Reuter.
Gino naman, Gino.
1977, Earth, Wind, and Fire. Fantasy. Giselle or Ethel?
Giselle. Mamu.
Same song.
Live forever.
Ang tumpak na lyrics po ay Will live love forever.
Love, hindi long.
Okay, here we go. Isang saglit ng ubod tagal, unang halik ng iyong mahal, isang saglit lang.
Tamis ng unang halik.
Okay, song number 6. 1989, Giselle or Ethel?
Giselle.
1989, Janet Jackson, Escapade.
Look and shout, you got my eye. Thought you wanna hang for a while. Well, I'd like to be with you, and you know
Just what you'll do.
Gino or Jordan?
Sabi ko 85 lang.
Gino ulit. Gino ulit.
Gino. Okay, same song.
Look and shout, you got my eye. Thought you wanna hang for a while. Well, I'd like to be with you, and you know that I do.
Ang tumpak na lyrics po ay
It's Friday too.
It's Friday too. Okay.
Kaya to.
Tayo po ay magmamanuhan muli. Meron pang ano. Last song. Jingle Bell.
Jingle bells.
Ulitin ko. Jingle Bell, Jingle Bell, Jingle Bell Rock, Jingle Bell.
Jingle bell rock!
Ay, ano? Kala mo yung loko yung makita.
Ano? Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. So ang title nun, Jingle Bell Rock?
Oo.
Nakuha na ba ni Kuya Randy?
Oo, hindi mo narinig. Ting!
Kasi naman, mapaling lang.
Hindi mo narinig.
Jingle bell din yun eh.
Okay. Crucial na to. Kasi, okay na, ang EGG naka-score ng 1, kayo wala pa. Ibig sabihin, kapag hindi sila naka-score, kayo yung bagong champion.
Oh my God!
Song number 7. Year 2000, Gino or Reuter.
Roy na naman, Roy.
Bahala na. Bahala si Batman, pare. 2000, Britney Spears. I love rock and roll.
Spend your time with me.
Giselle or Ethel?
Ethel!
Oh, wala pa, wala pa.
Okay, wala pa. Okay. Kantayin mo natin. Same song.
Time to me! Britney Spears, yes!
Okay, ang tumpang na lyrics ko ay Take the time and dance with me. Team 80s after 2 days, you got 110,000 pesos. Thanks for joining. Good luck sa... Tapos na ba? Hindi pa. Marami pa shows. More shows.
Thank you very much.
Okay, bro. Team BGG, 80,000 pesos. Kayo ang bagong TNT champion. At babalik kayo to defend your title. Hanggang sa susunod na pagpirit po ng The Singing